All right, so we're talking about the pre-meeting questionnaire, okay? The PMQ for short. Now, it's one of the most popular forms that we have, and this is something that you can automate, right, by putting it on your website, which I'll show you how to do. You can also send this anytime you're about to have a meeting with somebody. It's going to show that you're very organized in how you structure meetings, okay? And people are going to answer what they want to talk about in the discussion points section, which you'll see. So if we access this, you'll see that there's first name, last name, email. Now, we're not asking for dates of birth. We're not asking for IDs. If I come here to a website, right, and this is a dummy website, right? This firm does not exist. We created it for illustrative purposes only. So if I come here and just imagine yourself working in the template, you copy and paste, right, and you put the link to your form right in here. Now, your web developer may do that. That's fine. You can put it in both of these buttons wherever you want somebody to access an initial form with you on your website. Because what's the first thing that somebody does when they hear about you? They Google you, right? They go to Facebook. They go to social. They see who is this guy, who's this gal, who's this team, whatever. And so you want to have a very clean, forward-facing appearance. And so when I come here and I say, yeah, I've heard about Carlton right here at Recon Wealth Planning, and I want to get started with him. So let's go ahead and start the recon process. Now, Finpace will have your logo there, right, so that it's very clear that, okay, this is actually the firm that's asking me these questions. So let's go ahead and just put in some dummy stuff here. Lane.com. And what Finpace is doing is it's going ahead and pre-filling your forms. Now, again, your logo's right there. It's front and center. It's easy to see. Marital status, let's just say single. If there is a joint investor, yes, then dynamic fields show up, okay? If it doesn't need to be there, Finpace is not going to show it, right? We don't want to overwhelm your team or your customers with clunkiness or clutter. So, again, desired retirement age, what do you want to talk about? Okay, when we meet, what are we going to cover? Tax planning, wealth creation, business buy sell. Now, if it's other, then I have a chance to write in. Should I buy NVIDIA stock while the stuff in the Middle East is going on? Whatever. You can do that. So, and then whenever it's completed, your customer submits response, and then you'll see on your back end that you have a new customer, right? Once I refresh, I will see that I have got Thomas Lane right here, and I can see some basic details have already started to fill my Finpace mini CRM. So you did no work as an advisor other than just putting that form on your website. Now, you can include that form in email templates that are sent out every time you have an annual review, whatever, and whenever that customer receives it, they're going to see it pre-filled. So it's not going to be like the doctor where you fill out the same information every single year, 5 different pages of the same stuff. That's never going to happen with Finpace. So that's the PMQ. These are the best practices for it. It's one of our most popular forms. And what it's going to start to do is it's going to start to build a part to a whole of your data process in understanding who that customer is. So we'll see you in the next form video.